In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Planner for onboarding. In order to do that, first head over to planner.cloud.microsoft and from in there you should be able to see in here this. So to this part, just proceed to click on the sign in. You can also get it for iOS and Android. Do take note that you need to have an account with the paid subscription or be under an organization with the paid plan. So proceed to click on the sign in right there to your account. Now in here, sign into your account with a subscription, input your email, phone, or Skype, and then after that, just proceed to click on next and then sign in using your password. Now here is my actual planner. So what we can do is we can click onto this new plan right here. From in there, just choose which one you actually want to create. For example, since we will use it for onboarding, we have in here this employee onboarding option. So let's head over and click on this. Here is the preview of that. We have the post acceptance, technology, and paperwork. Click on this use template in order to use this. Input right here the name, and after that, you can add it to group if you want. Just head over and click on create. Now here it is right here. So in order to use it for onboarding, we already have in here this already created task like post acceptance, technology, and likes. What we can do is we can just customize it based on our company. You can add a new task like here, as well as technology option. We have in here setting up employee accounts, employee assets, as well as paperworks for this case, orientation, feedbacks, and like. So just edit it in order to personalize it into your actual party or into your actual plan right there, and then customize it to your own company in order to make this much more personalized for each employee that will onboard. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.